All right, today we're going out of my way here with the trucks. Gonna help out a friend that needs to change the throttle body on this 4-cylinder. It's a 2.2, and this is a 2006 Chevy Malibu. So if you have the RPM gauge that's like fluctuating when you come to a stop, the reason is, well, the reason for this one is the throttle body. We're gonna remove the box from the we're gonna remove that screw right there. We already disconnected the that's the mass airflow sensor. Already disconnected that. Easy peasy. Since we're taking the throttle body off, I'm also gonna change the map sensor, which is has the one clip right there. Disconnect it, and then it pops up. Okay, snapped it back in, plugged it up. Take off this gasket. When you buy the throttle body, it comes with the gasket. Set it back in there, the new gasket.